Hello friends, welcome back to HTML tutorial. So today we'll see how to create a text box in the HTML page. Okay, this was the last video. Okay, we have created a table using few tags. Now we'll create text box. Okay, so this text box we mostly use in forms. Okay, wherever we have these forms, there we need this text box. These forms are always created using the form action attribute. Okay, form attribute, this is the where you define the method. Okay, and after that we use another tag called label for naming the row. Okay, for naming the things, for naming the text box. Okay, so and these two are the things we generally use for creating any forms. Now we get back to the program. Okay, this was the thing we created the last time. Created a table. Okay, now everything is written, so even this should be on the in the body tag, so I am writing in the body tag only. Form action is equal to, okay, this opens a method and close it. Okay, so we have created a form action attribute here. So after that I am creating a text box here. Okay, I need to define the label for, so I create a username. Okay, username for, and okay, and this username I need to define, and I'll close my label tag. Okay, hope you understood it. Okay, we are creating a label for username called username. Okay, then after that we need to define the input type, what type of input you are giving it. Okay, so whatever input type is there, that is of text type. Okay, it is of text type, and its id is given by username comma name is equal to, okay, so I use this br. Okay, this I'll close the, I give some spacing here, br, br. Okay, first I'll end this thing in the form attribute. Okay, so I closed the body tag already. Now we'll see how it, sorry, I closed it. I'll open it in the web page now. We'll go to desktop. Yeah, first page. Now if you see here, we have created a text box called username. Okay, here you can give Harsha Mangipuri. This is a text box here. Okay, so similarly even I can create another text box here. Okay, here, I'm sorry, here I need to control C, control V. Okay, label for, here now I'll create a text box for password. Okay, and here I'll say password. Okay, it's text, input type is text only. Okay, as id is password. Okay, I'll save it. I'll go to my web page and I'll update it. Then we'll see if any changes has come. See here, we did not get any change here. It was username only. Okay, that means I'll get back to the code. So here ID I need to give it as password. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, now it is created a text box called password here. Okay, so ID is also important here whenever creating the text box. You need to mention what type of ID you are creating, like name or password or email or whatever it is. Okay, now in the same way we'll try for another thing. Okay, so here I'll create it for might be like we'll create for email. Okay, so email is also, yeah, it's already there here. Okay, similarly username is also email, email. See, email is not there. Okay, now we'll see if we get the email thing or not. Okay, I'll save it and I'll go to my page. Yeah, so we have got thing here, email box also. Now here you can give the email ID. So similar in this version we can create any text boxes, any number of text boxes here. Okay, using this HTML tags, form tag. Okay, these under form tags. Okay, in the same fashion we can also create the radio buttons here. Okay, these are the text boxes which I created. Now we can also create a radio button. Okay, for radio button only the thing is you need to mention the format. You need to mention, define what you are giving in the radio button. Like if it is yes, you need to put input type should be radio. It creates a radio button of name. What type of name is okay? Okay, we create this for only one thing, yes or no. Okay, and value you need to give the, define the its value. Okay, now I'll give a space here. After that for no, define no here. Same thing, I'll just copy it here, control. Okay, you close the form thing. Now let's see how it looks in the web page. See, we have got two buttons here, yes or no. At a time only one thing can be clicked here. Okay, it's like multiple, so only one thing will can be pressed here. Okay, if you remove this thing here in the notepad, you remove this. Okay, now let's see what happens in the code. You update this. Now if you press here yes, if you press here no, both are selected. Okay, both are selected. If you, this radio button is mostly used for selecting only one thing out of multiple choices. So for in order to get that, it should be defined as yes or no, because that acts as a decision for the radio button. Okay, if it is yes, then only you press it. If you know, if it is not yes, then don't press it. Okay, those kind of things. So that's all for this video, friends. If you find this interesting and also informative, kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, and click on the bell button. Thank you.